here tonight to be judged, but to judge. Hear then his accusations and his sentence. I indict the Spanish encomendero for inventing taxes impossible to bear. I indict the usurer for sending me with debts impossible to pay. I indict the responsible radical leaders who undermine with insidious eloquence the confidence of mankind in our government. You accuse me of not supporting my family. Free me from bondage, and I shall prove you false. You accuse me of ignorance, but I am ignorant because my master finds it profitable to keep me ignorant. Free me from bondage, and I shall prove you false. You accuse me of indolence, but I am indolent, not because I have no will, but because I have